Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today I'm going to show you how to turn off your camera on Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps, because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser, and then it will take you to the link of it. And of course, then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to do is either to join a meeting or create a new one, so I can show you how to turn off your camera. So basically all I am going to do is to click on the new meeting button and I'm going to start an instant meeting. Basically here is the meetings view, and as you can see I'm already turned on my camera. And basically to turn off the camera, all you need to do is to come here at the bottom and search for this toolbar, and you will find these buttons here, and basically you will need just to click on the turn off camera button and you will have it turned off. Or you can just click on Ctrl E, as you can see as a shortcut, Ctrl plus E of your keyboard, and you will have your camera turned off and turned on however you want. So basically that's it. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.